Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the last 10 to 15 videos, we have learned the environment of React and we have created this component by using React. Now finally, this counter application is working properly. If you see that each and every part is working. But now we need to optimize this code. Optimization means you see this counter increment is shifting toward the left side and this delete button is also shifting, and these decrement and increment is also not looking so good. So we can replace it by minus symbol, plus symbol, and here we can put it in a grid of bootstrap. So we can do some optimization of this control. So in previous videos we learned how to create this counter application by using so many concepts which I explain one by one in the videos. This video is for optimization of this control, because to make a application is different part and to make the optimization code is different part. So in this video we are not learning any new concept of React, but we are learning how to make your application or your code more beautiful by using some tips and trick. So for that, first of all, I need to go to the counter. So here in counter, if we see, so I have increment this. So in place of this increment, decrement, I can put minus symbol here, and in place of increment, I can put a right plus symbol. Save it. And we try to see this change. You see, so we have done the minus and plus, so this one, then we can this you can see the alignment is now changed. So we can put in the proper rows and column alignment also. For that we can use bootstrap. So what we can do in bootstrap, that we want to learn. So here in div tag I can put here class name equal to row, and this button here we can put a class, one more class here. The class is call1, and here also in this class we have span tag to display count value. So here also we may use so here we put call1 class. Here also we put call1 class, like this. We try to optimize this code. Then here also in a button we say call1. Here also in this button I say call1, and this is delete button. So here I can say call, rest of the space I can give to this. And we try to see the changes. You see we have this one, and here also in delete button I want to say to call1, like this. Save it and we try it again. You see now it look like better. Minus, plus, delete, all are in similar way in a fashion. This reset button we also have, but this button is from the other counter, so we will optimize that also. We can increase the size of this plus and minus also. So for that what we need, so we have here plus in a button, span here, then I put this here and a span tag, and here I put plus. So here in span tag I save it and try to see this plus is size is increase. I think now we have to increase more size. I say 30, save it. Yeah, 30 is more size increase, so 30 is not so good, so I say 25. Same, I just copy this and I paste in the decrement here, and I put in place of this plus I put minus. Save this and we see, so we have a minus, and I can give this -2 time. I think if it is look good. No, it is not looking good. So we have a minus here. 25 is the size of font, so it is looking now great. You see, we have this, everything is working fine, counter is working, delete is working, reset is working, everything is working fine. So we did this. Now one more thing we want to do, you see, whenever I click here it is going in negative, but counter should not goes to negative, so we have to handle this also to make it optimize. And this reset button is also having the less size, so we can give the same size here. So go to this counter, here we have a reset button. So in this reset button, what I do, I say that class name equal to row, and here in button I put class call -1 and save it, and we try the size. So now it is okay, but not optimize as we need. So I try to remove this margin, then try. So now it look good. We can increase the font size, then it can take same size, but it is good now. Or if I remove this without any problem, if I try to do, then it look like good here right now. So no need to put this under a row because looking nice without the row and column. And here we can give here we have the proper reset button, but we need margin also. So for margin I need to give the margin that should be there. You see, now it is working perfectly. Okay, and I just refresh it. Now if I do this, is going in minus counter, so this decrement should not goes to minus. So how we can stop this? And we go to decrement button. This decrement button is there. Under this button, if I say disabled here and I save it, so you will see that this button is permanently disabled. But I want to disable on a condition when the counter value is 0. So what I do, here we have a props value count. So I say equal to, I say this dot props dot counters dot count equal to 0, then we should use disabled, otherwise we should have blank. So now we try to check it. You see, this is 0, it is disabled. This is 0, now it is disabled. This is not starting, so we refresh it first of all. You see, it is 0 disable plus enable, you see, plus enable, disable, you see, disable, and if we do this minus minus 0 is disable. Now it working properly and optimizedly, you see this all are 0, that's why they are disable. If I say 1, it's enable. So you see that how we optimize this code, how this counter components is now working properly and look better to handle. So few more optimization tips you can do as per your knowledge and as per your requirement. So I just given here a demo that how you can make your code more optimized by using Bootstrap or by using some tips and tricks in React. So that's all in this video. I think you learned something. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.